Today, we are going on a trip to visit Granny. Are you ready? Let's go! Look at this lovely yellow car. And there is a family in the red house. Broom, broom! We are driving through the town. Vroom, vroom! Now we are on the busy road. Look at all the cars. How many cars can you see? I can see lots of cars with different colors. Blue, red, white, green. Wow, look at this traffic jam. Chok chok, here's the zebra crossing. Stop. The traffic light is red. Let's wait until the traffic light changes to green. The traffic light has changed to green. Yay, let's go! Whee! We are going down the hill. That looks so much fun. Do you like going downhill? Look who's waiting for you. Beep beep, hello Granny. Finally, we are at Granny's house. Can you say hello Granny? Granny is so happy to see us. Let's give her a big hug. That was such a fun trip. Let's all say thank you, car.